Hi, this is Arunasharam. Today let us analyze the stock Bajaj Consumers Limited. So it's a company which involved in the business of cosmetics and other personal care products. So the company had presence over both domestic and international markets. So the company had a drastic fall from the price range of 500 to the price range of 100. So it's a huge fall. After that, the stock tried to rise and it reached the price range of 300, and once again it started falling, and now it's just stabilized. So we can enter the stock above the price range of 200 or 210 for a good rally, and there is no certain reason behind the fall. So taking long term positions is up to you. So for long term positions you should have conviction to hold the stock, and there is no certainty in the stock for long term, but it's very good at financials, and you can also see it by the results, and the technicals is fine, and the valuations of the company is also cheap. So we can enter the stock at current market price for long term also. So 200 to 250 price range can act as a good buying zone for long term, and we can expect the target around the price range of 400, but it's not a good and a healthy entry. So understand the business before entering the stock for long term. So for short term, the stock looks bullish, and one can enter the stock above the price range of 200, and one can expect the price range of 300 as a target, which is almost a March month high. So we can expect this target within a matter of 2 months. So this stock looks bullish. So let me use the trend line to understand the support levels of the stock. So let me draw the trend line here. So it's a support actually. So after hitting the support, the stock is just reacting. So this can be taken as the support region for the stock. So the price range of 164 has acted as a trend line support, and it's also near the listing price. So every listing price will act as a resistance or support for the stock. So currently the listing price acted as a support for the stock. So now the stock just reversed because the stock shows a doji and there is a good upside movement. So we can consider entering at current market price for long term also by technicals, and we can consider the price range of 150 to 140 as a stop loss. So enter the stock at current market price, and one can set stop loss below the price range of 150, and one can ride the trend using the 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average. So let me move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart of Bajaj Consumer Limited. So after a good fall, the stock just tried to move higher, and after reaching the price range of 300, the stock fell drastically till the price range of 150. So it's a good fall, and we can expect the price range of 150 as a great support, and the stock might not move below that. So the breakout of the price range of 200 can trigger a further rally. So 200 to 210 can be taken as the main resistance for the stock. So if the stock breaks the price range of 200 to 210, then we can expect a great rally in the stock for short term, and the first target is around the price range of 300. So 300 can be taken as the short term target for the stock, and we can also expect the price range of 400 as a target because the stock is trading at cheap valuations. So if the stock started moving higher, we can expect a fantastic rally in the stock for short term. So the stock should give a breakout around the price range of 200 to 210 for a further rally, and the stock might also face resistance around the price range of 200, and it may also reverse. So beware of reversal before entering the stock for short term. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and hit subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published. So this is the daily chart of Bajaj Consumers Limited. So the stock just gave a breakout here. So let me draw the trend line once again. So this can be taken as a short term trend line, and the stock gave a breakout. So we can expect the price range of 200 as a target, and taking entry at current market price is fine, and taking 200 as a target is fine. So it's almost a 13% upside. So taking entry at current market price will yield a 13% upside. So one can also ride the trend using the 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average, and we can expect the price range of 300 as a target, and the 300 target will be achieved only if the stock breaks the 200 price range, and if the stock shows a heavy resistance around the price range of 200 to 210, we can cut the positions or exit completely from the stock. So the stock is bullish, and the stock yet to give a breakout. So the breakout of the price range of 200 to 210 can trigger a further rally, and one can exit the stock if it faces a huge resistance around the price range of 200, and one can use 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average to ride the trend and exit the stock if the stock cuts the 50-day or 200-day exponential moving average. So for example, the stock is just above the 50-day exponential moving average, and you should ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average and exit the stock if the stock cuts the 50-day exponential moving average. Look at here, the stock just cutted the 50-day exponential moving average, then it started falling drastically till the price range of 150, and currently the stock is just making a higher high. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for short term from now. So if the stock broke the price range of 200, then we can expect a further rally in the stock for short term. So if you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally, thank you for watching our videos.